Hey there, Luke here from ActionStep. I want to show you how you can put your data to work for better meta, client, and practice insights. Your data is your most valuable asset. When you capture the right data, so many other activities get easier. From everyday work like document production, meta management, and task automation, to management activities like reporting, client experience management, and firm planning. With custom data, you can create customized reports, actionable insights, and track valuable information across both matters and contacts. Let me show you how you can start using some of these aspects now. So what I'm going to do to start out with is I'm going to go into our admin section, and I'm actually going to head to our matter types tile here. And if I click on that, it brings up a list of matter types. I'm actually after the general matter because that's where I want to add my custom data field. I'm going to click on metadata, and that will take me through to a data collection screen, which shows all of the data collections that you have, which are essentially groups of data fields that you can put in different collection units to actually separate those data fields. In this case, I'm just going to click on the data collection of meta info, and I can see there are already a number of different fields in there already. All I'm going to do is go add row. I'm going to add an employee count data field, and I can actually choose the data type. Now in this case, I actually want employee count. I'm going to make it a number, which will limit it to a number value only. Okay, I'm going to put a form order 50, which in relation to these other form orders, it comes last. So the priority given in terms of ordering against these other data fields will actually put this field at the end, okay, in last place. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And that's done just like that. Now, to demonstrate how this will show, I'm actually going to go to one of our matters, Blue Yaka Tours. Perfect. And you can see the meta info section is the data collection field we talked about just earlier. Now, if I click on that, you'll actually see that there are now 5 fields, and one of them being the one we just created, employee count. If I click edit there, you'll actually see I have the ability to edit this number. I'm going to put 3, and I'm going to save. Okay, so creating matter data, custom data fields for a matter is actually very simple, as you just saw there. Same thing with participant types. I'm going to click on admin again, and I'm actually going to go to the bottom of the screen, additional settings. From here I can click on participant types, and I can actually find the participant type that I want to add a custom data field for. Now the one that I'm actually after is on the second page here, referrer individual. I'm going to edit a custom data field for this, and I'm going to go ahead and add a field here. Now the data field I actually want to add is referral commission. I'm going to make it a text block, which is like a text line, but it gives you more space to actually enter some details. And I don't mind about the order, so I'm just going to go use next number. There are some additional fields here, but I'm going to leave those as is as I go and save this one. Perfect. So I've just created that there. Now what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to jump out of this, and I'm going to search for Amanda Wiley Brown, one of our participants. And you can actually see here on her profile, on her contact, underneath roles, it shows the different roles that are marked against her contact record. One of them is referrer individual, and as you can see here, the field we just created, referral commission, shows against that. All I have to do to adjust that is click edit, scroll to the bottom of the page, and you can actually see custom data for referrer individual. I can enter this here, this referral commission. Now, an interesting thing is if I deselect the contact type referrer individual, you see that actually disappears at the bottom of the page. If I tick that again, it's marked here as this data being relevant to her, so it now shows on her profile there. So that's how that affects, and I can actually just put a number in here. Let's just say 12,000, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Alright, as you can see now that's populated with the amount there, so it's very easy to actually create these custom data fields and have the data collection now show on matters and contacts. Another couple of places that this can be useful is custom list views. You can actually customize the list views to include custom data fields and then export those. So essentially you get your own customized grid table of information and data that you can then export. Same thing with document assembly. Whenever you create a custom data field, you can go to document assembly to see what that merge field, the merge field name would be, and then pull that to use in document templates, invoice templates, things like that. Okay, so if you've got any questions, feel free to go through to our help center. As you can see on the top of the page where it says help, click on that and it will allow you to search for any questions you may have. Or in the bottom right hand corner of Action Step, this little green chat icon will allow you to chat with our team if you have any questions. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, reach out, but otherwise have a great rest of your day. Thank you.